So this is the part 3 video of Instagram affiliate marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you Clickbank affiliate marketing on Instagram, how to get your first sale fast right now with using this strategy which I'm going to show you in this video, even if you have a 0 followers like this, or maybe you're starting out. And if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. I will invite you to watch all of these videos. If this video creates some sales for you and help you your affiliate marketing business, then do subscribe my channel and smash that like button, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank product using Instagram, which is a free traffic and you don't need a website or paid ad. So if you type in the YouTube search engine Instagram growth strategy, you're going to get like lot of different strategies shared by this influencer, which are amazing to grow your Instagram. But one of my favorite growth strategy is the content. This I learned from Gary Vee, and this really changed my social media marketing and selling products. Okay, and that is whatever the methods and hacks and strategy which you're using, go ahead and use, but content, create a content that should market your Instagram page as well as your products. So make sure, guys, you create any content. If you go to any niche like law of attraction, look at this. These are the content which brings like followers for them, lot of engagement from them. Okay, like keto niche, all of this video. So make sure you are using valuable content, which I already covered in this series. So the part 1 video and part 2 video, where you can see the building the authority as well as remodeling the content. So do watch part 1 and part 2 video first. So with that said, guys, one of the key objective of any marketer who is promoting the product with Instagram is to get more eyeballs to your affiliate products and offer. Hope you are agree with me. If you're agree, just type yes in the comment. Okay, if you're using free traffic, the major objective of your marketing is to get more eyeballs to your affiliate products and offers. For example, guys, if you're running a Facebook ad, you're paying the money to Facebook so that you can get some link clicks in your affiliate link. As well as, guys, if you're doing search engine optimization, you're using keyword to rank your blog like this, right? More eyeballs, more link clicks, okay, to this blog, and they can sell more products here. In Instagram, you don't have this feature of SEO, as well as this is also not a very good for content friendly, because once if you upload a content, it is going to lose in some time in the hashtag. So what is the basic way of promoting a affiliate offer with Instagram? And that is the bio, right? Because in the Instagram, guys, they allow you to put the link here only, not the affiliate link. Never use a direct affiliate links of any marketplace. Use the landing page that I'm going to show you in a second. If you're starting a account like this, you're a beginner, you don't have more momentum, or you have not built the authority, or you don't have very good content, guys, nobody's going to make a click on this. Even if they click, they're not going to buy because you don't build the authority. That all I covered in this series of video. So now what you're going to do, of course, you're going to use this strategy of putting the link here, but I'm going to advance this strategy which will help you. Even if you have a 0 followers, you will get some sales, okay, from a new account also. So stick to this video till the end. So now you need a product to promote with your Instagram page. For that, you can use Clickbank marketplace. Here you can see different categories are there, right? So you can get down to these categories. You're going to get like different subcategories, right? And you can select one of the products. So here I'm not getting into how to select the product. I have many videos on this. So here I'm just going with a random product that is like manifestation magic. So here you can see this is an amazing product, and one of the best part is they have many tools section here. Okay, they provide a lot of tools so that they can support their affiliates who are promoting their offer. So here you have to find out only 2 things. One, a video sales letter on which you want to send your target audience to sell the product, and another is a lead magnet, something which is, right, you can give to them as a free gift. For example, here you can see the gift number 1, scared sign from the universe, and here you can see the gift 2, the abundance medical tone. I think this will be fit for my manifestation page, so I'm going to use this gift. Then I need a video sales letter, so there are many I can open, right? Look at this Facebook traffic page. You can use any one of this because we are not using the paid ad. So this is one of them. Look at this. This is the video sales letter. If you send the traffic here, if they buy from here, you'll make a commission from this. Okay, and the free gift here, the abundance medical tone. So here you can see free abundance medical tone. The strategy is like we are going to give this free abundance medical tone to the target audience. Okay, to get this medical tone is, first guys, you have to put your email name and email, and then they're going to send this tone to your email address like this. Okay, look at this, and here you can see, and if you click in this, it will open the page like this. Okay, look at this, right? Thanks. Here is the abundance medical tone. So now you're going to use this link to give the gift, right? So anybody can click here and they will download directly from here itself. Okay, so first you have to download, that is the reason. Okay, so once if you download, now let's create a landing page. So you need a landing page builder. Here I'm using the Builderall, and if you want to use the Builderall, the link is given in the description. That's my affiliate link. You have to create a simple landing page. So what you're going to do is, whoever is going to follow your page, whatever the method you're using, you might be using follow and unfollow method, or you might be just posting 6 times in a day, and whoever is following, for example 10 people has followed your page in a single day, then you're going to welcome them through this landing page. So your landing page will say, welcome to Manifestation Valley, grab your free abundance miracle tone below. So you're going to give this miracle tone here, okay, in the bottom. So this abundance miracle tone which we got through the email, we are going to give this link here, okay, so that they can instantly download that thing. And in the top guys, we are going to give our affiliate link or the video sales letter links, okay, here. So it's just very easy to create this kinds of landing page here. This is not a video, this is just a screenshot, or I use the snapping tool to cut this red video here, okay, and just I posted here, and here you have to put the affiliate link, as well as in the watch the video also you have to put the affiliate link. And here you're going to give your lead magnet links, okay. And if your product is not giving you this kinds of gift, you don't need to worry. You can go to idplr.com. okay. Here you can download so many PLR, right, private label right, or reseller right products, okay, ebooks and videos. You can make your free account and you can download almost like 200 free products there, okay. So the link is given in the description. That's also my affiliate link. You can use this to download 200 free products. So here in the search you can type law of attraction, and you can see so many different free strap or the master reseller right ebooks are there, okay. Just make sure they are allowing you to give as a gift, right? You'll get the option there, okay. So many different ebooks and videos you can get from here, okay. Now you have to use this landing page URL to your account here in the bio, okay. You just put this link in the website section, okay, and then you are focusing more right, producing good content, or whatever the method you're doing, maybe the follow and unfollow. The moment somebody is following you back, right, you're getting into here, right, and on the same time, right, you're sending a message to them, okay. This is what you have to do. For example, right, somebody, let me show you from this account. Let's say if she follow your account recently, so what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to go to her account here, and I'm going to like some of the recent posts, okay. I'm going to like some of the recent posts here, and then I will find one of the recent posts of her, and I am going to leave a good comment. So how I'm going to leave the comment, look at this. These are the product guys which I use to promote with Instagram, okay. I'm still using it. You need a simple script, you don't need a marketing script, so create your own. So here I said, welcome to Manifestation Valley. I have a free gift, abundance miracle tone that effortlessly washes away all of the energetic and negativity that's been holding you back. Also, I have a special guided manifestation presentation for you, link in bio. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to take this from here and I'm going to post it here, okay. And this you have to do guys on the same time, okay, the moment somebody's follow your page. Even you can do this thing later, but you should know when they are very active, okay, then only they can respond you back. The best time is the moment they follow your page. With this guys, you're increasing the chances of getting more eyeballs or link clicks to your affiliate page by offering a lead magnet or a gift for them, okay, with this gift is driving the traffic to your main VSL. You can also use follow and unfollow method. That is also going to boost your account. For that, guys, you need some good account, and you have to find an account which is posted recently. So as I said, the idle accounts, whenever they post the recent post, this is 17 hours ago, this post is not going to work. Some post which is posted recently only, right, there is a chance that these followers are active. Right now you can do the follow and unfollow here. Do not unfollow anybody. In 1 hour, do only 3 to 4 or 5, and leave 1 to 2 hours, then do almost like 5 to 6. Like this, you can do this. And in this process, if they are following you back, you're going to do the same thing to them. You're going to give them a small script in their images instead of sending a DM. You can also send them the DM, but with my experience, they will not check the DMs, okay, not every time, but they will always check the post. One more thing which you have to keep on doing is, guys, keep testing different products. Do not stick to one product, right? First select one product and try to get a lot of clicks and see how many conversion you're getting. If you're not getting the conversion with that product, go and find the brand new products, okay? To get the new products, you can go to CB engine launching in this right, Clickbank, right? By clicking here, CB new products, okay? You can see these are the new product which is just long 3 days, 4 days, or maybe 1 minute back, right? Look at this one product here, new happiness code. Maybe this product is going to help you. So you have to again design this entire product like into this landing page, and you have to test with your page. You're growing your page with valuable content and also driving right tons of link clicks. So if you like this strategy, smash the like button right away right now and share this video to your loved ones. Subscribe the channel, and before you go, I will recommend you to watch these 2 videos, because these are the part 1 and part 2 videos which will help you to start your Instagram on the right way to sell affiliate products.